This is how to send money from your PayPal account to your Payeer account. As at the time of this video, you cannot do direct PayPal to Payeer transfer. You need an exchanger. The best platform that can do the exchange for you is AirTM. This is AirTM. In case you are new to AirTM, all you need to do to join is to use the link below the description of this video. If you use that link, AirTM will give you a gift of $3. To do this transaction successfully, you will need to log into your PayPal account, your Payeer account, and your AirTM as soon as you sign up to AirTM. The objective is for you to transfer the money you have inside your PayPal to your Payeer. To do that, you have to move the money first to this platform from PayPal. So you click Add. You click Add. You click Search. You search for PayPal. You can see you have multiple options to move your money from PayPal to AirTM, which is the exchanger that will help you transfer the money to Payeer. If the amount you are moving is less than $15, you choose this option. Suppose the amount you want to transfer from PayPal to Payeer is more than $20, you choose this. For the purpose of this video, let's choose this. So you choose this. Look at it. How much do you want to send? Don't forget, you want to add money to your wallet here from your PayPal so that you can transfer this money to Payeer. Suppose the amount you want to transfer is $20. That is, amount in your PayPal account is $20 that you want to transfer to Payeer. The objective here is to transfer that money from PayPal to another person that has a PayPal on this platform. So that person will now credit this place for you. This platform will collect that money from that person, this money, and will head it until you release the money to you. As soon as you release the money to you on this platform, they will now release your money to him. Suppose the amount you want to send to that person that has a PayPal on this platform is $20. You come down. This is the amount you will get in this wallet. You will send, look at it, you will send from your PayPal $20 and you have this amount in your wallet. To go on with this transaction, you will need to configure and register your PayPal account on AirTM. As soon as you register, you follow the step-by-step process. It's so simple and straightforward. It will take you 4 stages to conclude that transaction and you have the money in your wallet. Let's assume the money has been transferred and released from your PayPal to AirTM. So the next step is for you to move this money from AirTM to your Payeer account. This is your Payeer account with many wallets. So the next thing you want to do is to move this money from AirTM to your Payeer account. To do that, you come back to AirTM. To withdraw this money, you click withdraw. You search for Payeer. Type Payeer. You scroll down. You can see this is Payeer. The same process. It will take 4 stages. And this is the money you want to move. You want to transfer to Payeer. What will happen here also now is that we have a third party, which is called your peer. You will transfer this money to the peer. Look at it. How much do you want to withdraw? This money will go to the peer and AirTM will withhold this money from the peer until it credits your account. With this amount, you will collect some commission. With this amount, look at it, you will send from your AirTM account this amount, look at it, and you will receive in your Payeer this amount. But you'll be instructed to configure your Payeer account on this platform. As soon as you do that, you just click continue. You follow the process. It's going to be 4 stages. Very fast one. You will get the money inside your Payeer account. As soon as you get the money inside your Payeer account, you will indicate on the AirTM that you've received the money and AirTM will release this money to the peer. That will be the end of this transaction. For you to see how it works step by step, watch this video. This video will take you through how to transfer from AirTM to Payeer step by step. You now know how to send money from PayPal to your Payeer account. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. See you in the next video. Bye for now.